Hello traders and welcome to the Vantage Point Trading Journal for today, Tuesday, October 23rd, 2018. We're going to show you how Vantage Point has been forecasting market movements, show you what you need to be paying attention to. Alright, today, markets overall weak, so I'm looking for names that are exhibiting relative strength. And what we've seen here in Kohl's, that's ticker KSS, it's been bouncing around. We actually got a bullish indicator noted by the neural index being in the green area, the predicted high and low being higher, and we had the crossover. Notice also how they have not been able to close below this line, which is essentially about 70 and 3/4. So if we look at the November 2nd 70-71 put spread, selling that for 35 cents. The most you can gain is premium collected, of course, and the most you can lose is the width of the spread less any premium that we collect. So our maximum gain is 35, our maximum loss is 65. So 65 divided by 35 is 1.86 to 1. So define risk and a good reward to risk scenario in a overall weak market where you're looking for names that are exhibiting strength. So that's what we're looking at here today. And that is about all. We will be back with you later on in the week. Until then, good luck and happy trading.